How to enable glow mode in Windows 11. Let me show you, but before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. First, right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. Now go to the Themes option. Choose the Windows Glow theme, and your PC will switch to glow mode. Windows has 4 default glow wallpapers, and you can pick the one you like best. To do that, go back to Personalize and select Background. Change the option from Slideshow to Picture. Now click on Browse Photos. Go to your C drive. Then open the Windows folder. Then Web. Then Wallpaper. And finally, open the Glow folder. Here you will see the 4 default glow wallpapers. Choose the one you like, and that's it. Glow mode is enabled, and your desktop looks awesome. And that's how you enable glow mode in Windows 11 and choose your favorite wallpaper. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Windows tips.